Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. We have completed first week. Lessons 1 to 6. Today, as lesson 7, let us avail an opportunity of revisiting lessons 1 to 6. Our first lesson has been about text of Vedic Ganita Sutras. Lesson 2 has been about Devanagari alphabet. Lesson 3 is about first letter, sixth vowel. Lesson 4 is about 36 distinct letters. Of text of Vedic Ganita Sutras. Lesson 5 has been Sthapatya, geometric formats. And sixth has been about eight directional frame. These lessons are introductory, just to initiate the steps impressed upon are that one shall memorize text of Vedic Ganita Sutras, which are 16 plus 30 of total 283 plus 236 letters in all, of which 36 letters are distinct. Then Devanagari Varnamala, which is of 5 folds: the letters alphabet, the numbers alphabet, the Sthapatya, which takes to space content, and then hypercubes of full unit and hypercubes of half units. Thereafter, we had taken up the first letter, the sixth vowel, and we have tabulated as to how this letter in Devanagari alphabet sequentially takes us to feature 6 to 6 space, then hypercube 6, also to TC value of it, then its frequencies and all features. Thereafter, we have pressed upon that all the 36 distinct letters of Vedic Ganita Sutras deserve to be chased, deserve to be tabulated for all these features. It is thereafter that we have been taking up the aspect of Sthapatya, and the Sthapatya itself being a space content, body of full units, body of half units. As such, we have to be very specific about their distinctive features, and then we can see that how to translate letters alphabet into numbers alphabet, and how to go step ahead to Sthapatya and of content, full bodies and half bodies, Let me have a pause here and impress as that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are having the summation value of 4 folds of hypercube half of half unit, hypercube 1 of full unit, hypercube 1 of half unit, and content of 3 space. Then when we'll go to the next numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, it will go on the sequential progressions like this, and it is here where we will be appreciating as that in fact the entire numbers, whole range of numbers, the whole numbers have their Sthapatya translation, and it is this translation which is going to be ultimately availed, and then the 8 directional frame has been the first manifestation format of the transcendental content flowing from orb of the sun as 7 streams, and this 5 space transcendental content availing this format, and it is here where we are also having the specific center of hypercube 4, which is a 5 space, and hypercube 4 is a 4 space body, 4 space domain, enveloped within a solid boundary of 8 components. And from the center of hypercube 4, there happens a flow, a coordination. So this is going to be 8 directional flow from the center, that is from the center of the hypercube 4, which is a 5 space. So it is this 5 space content which is flowing and having a coordination with the solid boundary component, means 3 space, and it is this 5 space and 3 space. So what is happening is that from the center of creators the space is flowing a solid dimensional setup. It is this feature which is going to be our basis for having comprehension further. Let us sit comfortably and let us start making our own TCV dictionary. Then we should learn as to how we have to say reach at the TCV of Purves 21 and like that of others. And then say for ek, it is going to be 8. For due, it is going to be 16. For tre, it is going to be 8, and so on.